What is going on, everybody? It's Dave in here helping you play creatively. Today we are looking at a piano riff. Now, why do we learn piano riffs? Piano riffs help us in regards to soloing, in terms of, hey, I don't know what idea to play. Oh yeah, I can play this really quick riff that will help me at least get started. Piano riffs are helpful in terms of putting yourself within the groove. And then I think piano riffs are essential, obviously, in Christian contemporary music because they're all over the place. All right, so today we're gonna look at this piano riff. It goes like this. It's a really simple riff. What is happening here? In my right hand, I'm playing. Play it slowly for you one more time. Now, I'm also adding another note in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add the D, okay? Okay? It's a really simple riff, but remember, when you learn one riff and then you add it with another riff and you add it with another riff, now you have a wealth of ideas to pull from, okay? And so here's how we would add it in a song. We're gonna take this progression, a D to a G, D, G, B minor, G, E, G, D. All right, so here we go. Now, here's me adding more riffs to that same progression. So. All right, I messed up a little bit, but you get the idea. When you learn one riff and you add it to other riffs, you have a wealth of creative ideas to help you play more freely on the piano. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more piano riffs, more creative ideas in this area, or you want to learn how to play worship music, starting from a really elementary level all the way to more advanced, complex ideas, certainly check out my course in the description below. But until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.